Hello traders and welcome. This is my daily forecast video. It's Wednesday, 19th of March, and now let's start with the UK oil. Here I don't find any setups for today, neither on the US oil. EURGBP. Let's see what we have here. Uptrend from simple moving average 20, bullish daily bar from yesterday, sell side liquidity, and Fibonacci. But this Fibonacci is invalid because price hit the zone before the trading hours. So we have only this zone. I will wait for buys from here. EURUSD, uptrend again, bullish bar from yesterday. Sell side liquidity and Fibonacci. This time the Fibonacci is valid. Price still is away from the zone. Again, buys from here or here. EURJPY, uptrend and bullish daily bar again. Sell side liquidity from the lowest point. Fibonacci will be invalid again. You can see why. EURAUD, uptrend and bullish daily bar. We have the sell side liquidity and the Fibonacci retracement. Again, two zones for buys. This one and this one. EURCAD is the next pair. Same like EURAUD. We have the uptrend and the bullish bar from yesterday. Buys from here and buys here. GBPUSD, again bullish daily bar in uptrend. That's it for GBPUSD. GBPJPY, uptrend and here with bullish daily bar again. The lowest point is here. The Fibonacci will be taken already. As you can see, price was under 61.8% in the early hours. That's the reason why this Fibonacci is invalid. And we have only the sell side liquidity zone here. GBPAUD. uptrend, and here bullish daily bar from yesterday. Again, sell side liquidity and Fibonacci. It's very simple forecast and very simple strategy. Buys from here or here, of course. We have to wait for the right setup when we want to buy or to sell. Next pair, GBPCAD. Again, we have uptrend, daily uptrend, bullish yesterday bar, sell side liquidity, bullish Fibonacci retracement, and again two zones for buys. This one and this one. USDJPY. Now here we have a trend based on the daily bar because it closed above the moving average and doesn't touch the moving average. That's the reason why I will use this bar with his sell side liquidity, but the Fibonacci retracement you can see is invalid already, so we have only the liquidity zone here, and again waiting price to hit this zone and to form 1 hour or 30-minute structure to indicate, to give me a signal or a buy. That's it for USDJPY. Let's see what we have for USDCAD. Well, we have a downtrend and the yesterday daily bar is a bullish bar, so no trading setups here. USDCHF downtrend, yesterday daily bar is a bearish bar. Perfect. This time we have buy side liquidity and bearish Fibonacci retracement. And again two zones for sales. First one and second one. AUDUSD daily uptrend, yesterday daily bar bearish, no trading setups here. Next is AUDJPY uptrend, yesterday daily bar bearish, no trading setups and here, just like AUDUSD. And the last pair, CADJPY, same story, uptrend, bearish daily bar from yesterday. This is it for my trading forecast. What I have from the investings, let's first add the stochastics. From Home Depot, yesterday I've had a signal for buy here. From Monday actually. All stochastics under the 10 line in the oversold zone. All at the same time indicates change in the trend. So I invest some money here, around here. And the second stocks which I watch at the moment is Apple. On the daily, nothing, but from the 4-hour, again, stochastics oversold, or very close to the oversold, as you can see. That's the reason why I'm waiting here for investing signal. We will see. So this is my forecast for today. Thanks for watching and good luck. Goodbye.